from the tow vehicle, you're going to want to use the giant block provided. Place it below the tongue jack, and then lower the tongue jack down by pressing up, which lowers the jack, and up raises the front of the trailer. Now the idea is to raise the front of the trailer high enough that these torsion bars become loose and you can remove them from the hitch. So that's loose enough that it can be removed. So you're going to pull the pin. Once you get the pin out, you're going to take this little L bracket out. You're going to place it up here. Don't forget it's there. Then you're going to pull the torsion bar out, and it should stay like this. Be careful, it can spring back on you, but if you get it far enough out, it won't do that. You're going to repeat the same steps on the other side. Pull the pin, remove the L bracket, pull the torsion bar off, and out to the side. At this point, you're going to lower the front of the trailer down until you see a gap on the top of this hitch and the receiver for the truck. So once you see this gap, that means that this is loose inside the receiver, which also means the vehicle is sitting level under its own suspension, and the trailer's not holding it up or down. So now we can remove the pin and pull this coupler up. Before we lift it up, we're going to want to remove our 7-pin connector and our safety chains, and then once that's disconnected, we'll lift it up. Now once the safety chain and the electrical connection has been removed, we will lift the trailer up off the ball. Now that you're up off the ball enough, we can pull the tow vehicle forward and get it out of the way, and then we can move to our next step, leveling the trailer from front to back.